Saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi modes and type interpreting. Modes and type of interpreting. Shuttleworth and Cowie mentioned that modes of interpreting refers to the way in which interpreting is conducted, while types of interpreting means the context in which interpreting takes place. Modes interpreting which are divided into consecutive and simultaneous. Consecutive interpreting. In consecutive interpreting, the interpreter starts speaking, translates the source text orally after the speaker finishes speaking. The speaker usually divides his or her utterance into some phase and gives time for the interpreter to translate his or her words consecutively. The interpreter is usually visible. Interpreter must convey a full rendition of the source text, sometimes use note-taking technique. As there are pause in consecutive interpreting, it is considered time-consuming and thus it usually conducted for small meeting. Point B yaitu simultaneous interpreting. There are no pause or interruption while the speaker delivers the speech, and therefore simultaneous interpreting is an exhausting job. This type of interpreting is usually held for large meeting or conference. The interpreting may see the speaker talk the booth window. The booth is equipped with some tools such as microphone, a headphone, a mute button, and volume control. The listener are provided with headphones that they can switch to language they want. In simultaneous interpreting, the speaker and interpreter speaks almost the same time. Consequently, the source text should be conveyed in shorter words unless the interpreter will run out of time while doing the job. Yang kedua yaitu adalah type interpreting. Interpreting ini ada banyak poin, ada 12 poin, jadi saya tidak bisa menjelaskan satu-satu karena durasi. Saya akan menyebutkan saja. Yang pertama yaitu adalah converse interpreting, kedua sex interpreting, ketiga escort interpreting, keempat whispered interpreting, kelima liaison or bilateral interpreting, ke-6 telephone interpreting, ke-7 television interpreting, 8 video conference interpreting, 9 communicating interpreting, 10 court interpreting, 11 medical interpreting, dan yang terakhir adalah sign language interpreting.